All right, everyone. So today in this webinar, we are going to discuss about a trading plan, which I shared diagrams, everything in a past previous week on a Discord. So today we will discuss all about diagrams and trading plan, that how you can execute your trades and what criteria you should follow. And a lot of people get confused when I posted a diagram. They don't know, they don't understand exactly what I mean and what I'm trying to explain there. So here you can understand everything, that how you can deal in a different situation. All right. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start from a diagram. This one, everything is clear, everyone, like audio and screen. Okay, thank you. All right, thank you so much. Look at this one. First of all, understand this diagram is here. Here you can see it's a very clear example. This is our bullish diagram is here, right? In this scenario, what happened here? If market momentum is a bullish, okay, if market momentum is a bullish, and you have to wait for it two scenario. First one, if market sweep the previous high is here, then you can buy or sell. And second one is a taken out the inducement, right? So at this point, what happened here? Like for example, here is a break of structure is here. After break of structure, what happened here? Market must be taken out the inducement. So where is inducement here? Market taken out the inducement, mitigated order block is here. So after taking out the inducement, price can be tapped on your unmitigated order block, and then you can buy there based on lower time frame confirmation, chalk and flip and T module, right? So this is a first scenario. Second scenario is here. If you want a more like a additional confirmation for the buy and sell, then you can use single candle order block for additional confirmation. Okay. So what happened here? Price type here and gives a single candle order block confirmation. Price type here gives a reaction, and third candle mitigate this first candle order block, which is our bearish order block, sorry, bullish order block, and tap there, and you can buy here, right? But in this situation, you don't need to wait for taking out the inducement or anything, right? When you're looking for the buy and sell based on single candle order block, in that case, you don't need to wait for taking out the inducement in a lower time frame confirmation. Okay. But when you're buying or selling on PUI and you are looking for the buy and sell based on chalk and flip, then you need inducement as per our trading plan, right? So here you can buy in a two scenario. First one, taken out the inducement tab here and wait for single candle order block. Sometime what happened? Market tab here and gives reaction but failed. There is no single candle order block create here, but market give reaction sometime and sometime not and directly push downside, right? So these things happen here. So you have to wait for it. So simply you can buy here. This is a simple process for the buy. Again, break the structure and you have to buy here and set your target as here, right? And do not try to sell here because there is a no sweep and market pro-trend is a bullish. So in this case, wait for taking out the inducement and buy. Simple. Okay. If market is a bullish and previous high is a broken, right, then you have to wait for taking out the inducement before the buy. And second thing, if market sweep the previous high is here like this, so you can also sell here, but for the short term, not for the longer term, right, which will be covered in a next diagram. Okay. Again, same thing happen here, taken out the inducement, and here you can see in a two scenario. First one is here, inducement is here and your order block is here. This is decisional order block or extreme order block, right? So in this case, two scenarios are possible. First one, if inducement sweep here, this candle close above it, right? It means we can buy here. Okay. We can buy here. Okay. But based on single candle order block is here. Okay. If you are planning to buy here, like previous inducement sweep here, and you are waiting for it to mitigate this one, sometime what happened, market just sweep the inducement because market need inducement or liquidity before continuation and before a reversal. Taken out the inducement and you can buy here, sell here based on single candle order block, simply here and target here. Okay. If market not create here any single candle order block, okay, and just gives reaction and push downside and maybe sharply push downside and mitigate your order block here, then you can buy here based on chalk and flip entry model. So that's it in this diagram. In this diagram, you have to understand only two things. First one, if inducement taken out and tap on your order block, then you can buy or sell based on chalk and flip. Okay. But if you want a more additional confirmation, then you can also take additional confirmation based on a single candle order block, but price must be tap on a order block. Okay. And next scenario, market taken out the inducement, but there is a no order block mitigate here. Just sweep this liquidity. That's why we can buy here, taken out the inducement and mitigate here and continue going higher high. Okay. If this setup is a failed, then you can also buy here on your extreme order block and continue going higher high. So these are possible scenario is here for you for buy. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one more example. I mean, the next diagram. So this is our next diagram is here. In this diagram, situation are little bit different. Okay. How? Look at this one. In this case, taken out the inducement, mitigate your order block. You can buy here based on chalk and flip. Also single candle order block, but price must be tap on PY is here. Simple. Right? But in this situation, what happened is if market sweep this high, sometime what happened, market is a bullish and market sweep the previous high. And then in that case, how you can deal? Simply you can sell here, but for the short term. And remember one more thing, this is a 50% of probability setup. This is a not high probability. Why? Because trend is a bullish. So if the previous high, you can buy or sell based on single candle order block and target first pullback, which is like you can say inducement, right? You can sell here for the short term because in the next attempt, possible market can go higher. Okay. And if you are willing to buy here, because you don't know exactly market can be go higher and maybe push downside because market collect liquidity is here, right? So in this case also you can do same thing here, market mitigate something here. Okay. And then you can buy here for the short term this high as a target, but you have to always wait for chalk flip or single candle mitigation, single candle order block for the confirmation in this case. Okay. In the next scenario, what happened here? Market continue going higher high. Again, market just taken out the inducement and confirmed the higher high. Here also you can buy based on single candle order block, which is already covered in a previous diagram that how you can deal. Simply the next candle open and third candle mitigation this order block, you can buy here and target this high. Okay. So this is a simple process. When you are looking for the buy and sell based on single candle order block, then you don't need to wait for inducement before the buy or sell in a lower time frame, which is already covered in part 15, 16, and 17. In the next attempt, what happened here? Market continue go higher high, break the structure, push downside. And in this case, you can see this is a different story. Here you can see there is no inducement. Simply you are looking here for the buy, right? But why you are buying here? Still there is no inducement at this point because this point taken out the liquidity. That's why this is an important level for you for buy, right? If market not taken out the liquidity, just pushing downside and then continue going higher high, then market must be taken out the inducement before upside move or downside move. Main thing is taken out the liquidity and inducement. If market grab the liquidity, if market taken out the inducement, then definitely you can go for the buy and sell in that zone, right? So this is a simple thing. Okay. And remember one more thing, this is a not higher high. Why? Even break of structure, this is not higher high. Higher high is a confirm when market taken out the inducement. So in this case, market push downside and buy, but maybe in the next attempt can go lower and like this. So this become our higher high because taken out the inducement. And this move is called our break of structure is here. And this is our higher high. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one more different diagram is here. In this diagram, you can see this is a bullish structure also. And in this case, you can play in a both side of scenario, right? In a past two diagram, we have covered that if market taken out the inducement and then market tap on your order block POI, then you can buy or sell based on chalk and flip entry module. And second thing, if market just sweep the inducement, and you can also buy or sell based on your single candle order block, right? And different next scenario was explained in a previous diagram. If market sweep the inducement or sweep the main low and then market push higher and came back the on same point, then you don't need to wait for inducement before the buy or sell, right? But in this diagram, you will see if market as a bullish taken out the inducement and fail your decisional PY, then how you can sell for the short term, sell for the counter trend, right? Look at this one. This structure is a bullish here, break of structure, taken out the inducement, mitigate your PY and continue. You can buy here based on single candle order block chalk flip entry module, applicable everywhere here because price tap on your higher time frame PY, right? Break the structure and this is your final target. Again, you have to wait for taking out the inducement. Same thing happen here. This is your inducement, tap on your PY, and this one is your decisional PY. After taking out the inducement, market must be a tap on your PY or market must be sweep the inducement before continuation, right? But in this case, market ignore the inducement, tap on your higher time frame PY, but gives a small reaction to the upside, but not able to go higher and fail to the downside. So in this case, how you can deal in this type of situation? Simply, you can do two things. First thing is here, when price tap here, you have to wait for it single candle order block. Single candle order block gives you additional confirmation for the buy and sell in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame also, right? Simply gives reaction and fail, and possible here you can miss your miss trade here. Market maybe not create structure as well as per our plan. And second thing, if market create everything as per our plan and maybe your stop loss hit here. Why? Because market gives a reaction and maybe here your entry execute and failed, but this is a valid setup for this fail, right? When market fail this one and broken this low, it means this demand is not valid for the buy and market looking for the more deeper move to the downside, right? So how you can deal? Simply when demand is a fail and you can sell based on a flip entry module as per the higher time frame. So simply this demand convert into supply, right? When this one is a supply, then how you can sell? You have to wait for taking out the inducement. You have to wait for it liquidity grab. So there is a no inducement create here. I'm talking about this one. This is a single leg move here, right? If market create move something like this, okay, so you can sell here because this high act like a inducement, okay. If market not create here inducement, which is already covered in a Philip NT module also, so this high must be taken out because this is a supply, everyone looking here for sell, market cap the liquidity, and you can sell here based on a single candle order block. Also, if market mitigate here any PY order block, you can sell till extreme order block, which is here. Okay. So simply you can sell here something like this. When price tap here, you can also buy or sell based on flip anti module and chalk anti module in a lower time frame. Also single candle order block. Single candle order block, you have to wait for it in a higher time frame first, and then you have to switch in a lower time frame. Okay. So this is a bullish scenario and how you can deal in a different type of situation. Now I'm going to show you in a bearish market. Okay, so this is our bearish diagram, and this one is a just reverse of the bullish diagram, right? And similar thing is here, and rule are similar, but direction is a just opposite of the bullish market. Okay, so simply how you can deal in this situation, you can simply buy or sell after taking out the inducement, and after sweep the inducement. Okay, market momentum is a bearish, break of structure is here, and after this break of structure, what happened here? Market must be taken out the inducement, which is here, and this one is your unmitigated order block here. Tap here price, you have to wait for it to mitigation. Price tap here, and you can buy or sell lower time frame chalk and flip anti module. Also, you can buy or sell in a based on a single candle order block because price tap on your higher time frame PY, right? And second thing is here, if price not tap here, just sweep this inducement here, then you can sell here based on single candle order block. In that case, you don't need to wait for chalk or flip anything. Okay. Push downside, break the structure. Again, similar thing, inducement, mitigate your order block is here. Gibbs reaction here. If in at this point you can see two scenarios. First one is a market create structure as per your plan in a lower time frame, like chalk and flip everything, and also single candle order block possibly. Then in that case your stop loss hit because market push upside, and this setup is a failed. And second scenario is here, market gives reaction but not create any trading plan as per our plan, right? And broken this supply, it means market not able to hold this zone and price looking for more deeper move to the upside before a downside move, like then fail this one and push downside. So this supply convert into demand. So this supply convert into demand, then you have to wait for it to mitigate this PY. So like this, and failed this one because market need liquidity. Liquidity is here because everyone buying here on this order block. Market grab liquidity. You can buy here based on single candle order block, right? Because market taken out this inducement. And if market mitigate this one, and here you can also buy here based on chalk and flip. When price tap on your higher time frame PY means order block, then you need lower time frame chalk and flip. When market sweep the main high or low, sweep the inducement, and you are looking for the buy or sell based on single candle order block, in that case, you don't need to wait for inducement in a lower time frame. Correct? Tap here and you can buy here till extreme order block mitigation. Price tap here. Simply you can switch here in a lower time frame confirmation and you can buy or sell chalk flip and single candle order block also entry. First low broken is a break even and maybe partial, and next final target is here. That's it. Okay. And now I'm going to switch in a next part, next diagram. In this diagram, you can see everything is a bearish, but situation are a little bit are different in this case. You can see the past diagram was also bearish, but here is a situation a little bit different. Inducement taken out, tap on your PY and create single candle order block, which is recently I cover. Then you can also sell here and put the stop loss just over it. Right. If you are willing to buy or sell directly without lower time frame confirmation, then you can also buy or sell like something like this. Right. And next possible scenario is here. If market uh, press tap here and market create here chalk and flip entry module in a lower time frame, then you can also take entry for this sell or buy. Remember one thing actually, when price tap on higher time frame order block after taken out the inducement, in that case, you can use every type of entry possible like chalk, flip, and single candle order block. But when price sweep the high or low, main high or low, inducement, right? In that case, you can buy or sell only based on single candle order block, not chalk flip, right? So past type here gives reaction, create single candle order block also. You can buy or sell. Also, you can buy sell here based on flip and chalk, right? Here you can apply three types of entry also. Push downside, and this is a final target. Again, push downside. This one is a decisional PY. Here you can see decisional like inducement sweep here. When inducement sweep, you can buy or sell here only based on single candle order block. In that case, you don't need to wait for chalk or flip anything, right? Sell here and target is here. This is a simple thing. Here you need chalk, flip, single candle order block, everything. But here you need only single candle order block. Okay, so this is a difference between both scenario. Here you can see failed sometime market failed and go higher, mitigate your undecisional PY and gives reaction, but you need also decision like additional confirmation like chalk, flip, and single candle order block, and then sell till this low. That's it. In the lower time frame, what a single candle order looks like a hammer doji. Yes, sir. Candle color and candlestick formation is not matter. Main thing is the next candle cover the previous candle high or low, close above the previous candle high or low, the third candle mitigation, and simply buy or sell. That's it. Okay, now switch in a next one. Two diagrams is a cover. Last two diagrams is a left here. I think only the previous high sweep. We don't need inducement in a lower time frame. Sir, when price sweep the high, sweep the like low, or sorry, sweep the high in a bearish market, sweep the inducement. In that case, you can buy or sell based on single candle order block. In that case, you don't need a lower time frame, like confirmation like chalk and flip. Okay, now switch in a next one. Here you can see similar thing is here. Taken out the inducement, tap on your PY, you can sell here. Simple. But in this case, little bit situation different. Market is a bearish and sweep the main low is here. So how you can deal? You can also buy here, but for the short term because pro trend is a bearish. That's why. Okay. So simply if market get here, next candle close of it and third candle mitigation, you can buy here for the short term till broken this high. Okay. So this is a process for the short term buy and sell. Main thing is you have to wait for taking out the inducement in a bearish market, taking out the high and then sell. And this is high probability entry for the sell compared to this one. And this is a 50% of probability entry for the buy. Right. Push downside and candle close below it. And this become our valid block of structure because in a first time just with the liquidity. So this is a not break of the structure. Market must be candle closer. That's why this high transfer here to here. Okay. And the next attempt candle close. So this is a break of structure and this is our single leg move here, right? Until taken out the inducement. So here market taken out the inducement. So market taken out the inducement. In this case, you can also sell here, but based on single candle order block because price sweep this high and third candle mitigation and sell here. In this case, you don't need inducement. Okay. So again, push downside, break the structure. Similar thing is here. In this case, in a higher time frame, there is no inducement create here, but you can sell here still. Why? Because this move taken out the liquidity. That's why. This move taken out the liquidity, it means this is a strong zone for the sell. But if market not taken out the liquidity, then you can't sell here. For example, market continue go higher and candle close above it and push downside, right? And again up going upside and you are willing to sell here. So this is a not pilot. This is a SMT, smart money trap, right? Price must be taken out the inducement, either market taken out the liquidity before the buy or sell. Simply mitigate here. You can also sell here. If you are willing to directly buy or sell without lower time frame convention, then you have to put the stop loss just over it. In this case, risk reward will be decreased, but probability of the increase will be automatically increased because you are playing based on a higher time frame and stop loss will be a little bit higher, right? But as per our like trading plan, entry plan is a perfect everything. Okay, because some people are not able to hold the lower time frame, handle lower time frame confirmation like 1 minute is a very fast time frame. That's why. Okay, so if you are willing to buy or sell based on directly 15-minute time frame, then you can directly buy or sell, right? It's up to you that. Okay, the next diagram. In this case, you can see this is our ranging market or diagram. In this case, you can play in a two type of possible scenario. First one is you have to always wait for taking out the main high or low. Then you can take entry. If market taken out the previous low, for example, but sweep the previous low. In that case, you can simply buy or sell here based on directly. You can buy or sell based on a lower time frame. Sorry, you can buy or sell based on single candle order block in a lower time frame confirmation also you can use single candle order block. You don't need to wait for chalk or flip or anything in a lower time frame. Simply you can buy or sell based on single candle order block because market taken out the liquidity. And always target the main high or low as a target, as a liquidity point. And the previous high is a broken. Here you can see at this point market taken out the previous high but not close of it, right? So in this case you need lower time frame confirmation like chalk and flip before the sell, right? Again push downside, taken out the inducement, price came back this point, you can also buy here. Again broken this high, similar stories here, broken the previous high, candle close of it, so you can bid, you can sell here based on lower time frame confirmation, chalk and flip only, not single candle order block, right? Single candle order block is applicable when sweep the high or low. Here this is a not sweep, this is a candle closer, that's why here you can't apply single candle order block. And if price tap on PY, for example here any PY, then you can use single candle order block, otherwise no, right? For example this is a PY is here, right? And price create here single candle order block, then you can buy here based on single candle order block, even candle close below it or not doesn't matter, right? So this is a process that how you can deal in a different situation in a bullish market, bearish market, in a ranging market. Now I'm going to show you trading plan that what I mentioned in a previous trading plan. So let's see. Let me show you exactly. Did you say no chalk needed when it sweep the low? Yes, sir. When sweep the high or low, main high or low, and then you don't need to lower time frame chalk or flip or anything. Simply you can buy or sell based on single candle order block, also based on lower time frame 1 minute single candle order block after refinement of the higher time frame as COB. Can we have a diagram, please? Sir, all diagram posted on a Discord also. So you can check the diagram section and video code section. This is our bullish trend, and this is a bullish diagram, bullish like trading plan, that how you can deal in a different situation. First thing is here when market is a bullish, right? When market is a bullish and everyone looking for the buy, okay? When everyone looking for the buy, and this one is our break of structure is here. So when market break of structure, and then you have to understand this break of structure with candle closer or just sweep the high, right? If market break the previous high with candle closer, then you have to understand two scenario. First one, wait for taking out the inducement candle closer, and you have to wait for taking out this inducement is here, okay? Taken out this inducement, mitigate your order block, and you can buy here. Simple. If not, tap on your order block. Okay. This one, remember this one. This is the next possible scenario. If not tap on order block, just sweep the inducement is here. And you can buy here based on single candle order block. And this is your target. So these are two possible scenario here for the buy. If sweep the inducement, if close the like mitigate your decisional PY. So this is a two possible scenario here. Okay. And the next possible scenario is here. Decisional PY failed. For example, your decisional PY failed, then how you can sell? Then sorry, how you can buy. You can sell till extreme PUI mitigation and wait and sell for like this. This is your demand zone, gives reaction and failed. Then you can sell here after taking out this high based on chalk and flip and mitigate your extreme PUI and then buy, which is recently I cover in a previous diagrams also, that how you can deal in this situation. Simple. And next one is a if inducement, if sweep inducement failed, then how, where you can buy. If decisional inducement sweep failed, okay, this one is a sweep here and you are willing to buy here, and this one is a failed. So where you should buy and sell, you have to buy on your PUI in a higher time frame, because this is an inducement and this is an order block where you can buy here, right? And you can buy here, okay, if order block is available here. If there is no order block, there is no unmitigated order block, then you have to wait for to mitigate your extreme order block or taken out the engineering liquidity, and then you can buy here, right? So these are applicable in a both scenario, candle closer and sweep the inducement. And the final one, when price mitigate your extreme PY and then buy here based on single candle order block, lower time frame, chalk, Philip confirmation, and TP main swing high. That's it. Simple. When price tap on your extreme PY after taking out the engineering liquidity, or you can say tap on your extreme PY unmitigated, and then you can buy or sell based on single candle order block, chalk, and flip. Everything is applicable, right? Like this. This one is a decisional. Here you can buy based on chalk, flip, single candle, order block, or everything, and target the previous main high, right? When market sweep the main high low, then you have to buy or sell based on only single candle order block. If price tap on higher time frame PUI, then you have to buy based on chalk, flip, single candle order block, everything applicable, right? And the next one, instant liquidity sweep. In a sweep scenario, then you can also buy only single candle order block. Target a higher time frame swing high. In this case, you don't need to wait for chalk or flip, because the instant liquidity is a sweep here. Instant liquidity, inducement, main high low. If sweep, then you can buy or sell based on only single candle order block. You don't need to wait for chalk flip or anything. Chalk flip only applicable when candle closer, in that case only. And second one is the price tap on higher time frame, order block, or PUI, right? Then you need a chalk or flip. Okay. The next scenario is a boss with sweep high. Okay. Market is a bullish and sweep the previous high. In this case, you have to sell, but for the short term, as you know, because pro trend is a bearish. Pro trend is a bullish, sorry. Okay. Previous high sweep, then you can sell based on a single candle order block till inducement, like inducement taken out, again continue going higher high, sweep this high, right? This sweep, and you can sell here till this inducement. So this is a counter trend sell. Okay. And after taking out the inducement, based on lower time frame, not singular, because 50% probability. Exactly. After taking out this inducement, probability is a 50% because this high is not confirmed. This is just liquidity sweep. Maybe market can go higher, and maybe market push downside, right? So it's depend. So you have to wait for it based on taken out the inducement, wait for single candle order block, then you can buy. And this is a 50% of probability, right? Decisional PY failed, then sell based on counter trend IDM and set main target low. If this low here is a order block and mitigate and failed, then you can sell here and target the main low. Okay. Now let's switch on a next scenario is a bearish. In a single candle block, there is no 1 minute refinement PY, then what? Sir, if in a single candle order block, if there is a no 1 minute refinement, then you have to wait for it to create them. Okay. Okay. So this is a bearish structure is here and similar, just opposite of the bullish market, right? Here also is a two scenario, candle closer or sweep the high, sweep the low, right? Let's okay. Break of structure with a candle closer. So in this case, simply also you can apply similar thing. If candle closer, then you have to wait for in a two scenario. First one, taken out the inducement with the candle closer, mitigate your order block, and second one is a sweep your inducement, right? So here, taken out the inducement and sell unmitigated order block, shadow, everything, right? Then you can sell based on a chalk and flip all entry module also. If price taken out the inducement, sweep, right? In that case, sell based on only single candle order block. In this case, you don't need lower time frame chalk flip or anything. Correct? Similar thing here. Decisional PY failed, then you can buy till extreme PY mitigation, as we have done in a bullish market. Like market is a bullish. I'm sorry, this is a bearish diagram. Bearish diagram is here. This one is a PY here. Inducement taken out, tap here, Gibbs reaction and failed. Means this supply is not valid to hold this zone and market looking for your extreme. And this one is your extreme, right? So simply market taken out this inducement and then you can buy till this one. And then you can sell here till this low and buy here for the counter trend, which is I cover in a previous diagram also. So you can again watch them. And next scenario is if inducement fail. Okay. And then how you can deal in this situation? Simply, if inducement fail, similar thing, you have to understand, you have to wait for mitigate your order block and then you can take entry for the sell. This one. Correct? Or you can, if there is no order block available there, then you have to wait for to mitigate your extreme order block or extreme, or like you can say incident liquidity. After taking out the incident liquidity, just sweep the incident liquidity, then you can sell based on single candle order block. Correct? And target is a main low. The next one is a possible scenario is a here when market mitigate extreme PY and then sell here based on chalk and flip. Exactly. Only last PY is here on extreme. Extreme is always high probability because that point is only applicable where market can gives you momentum to the downside as per your plan, because those are last point, extreme point before to continuation. If those point is a failed, that means structure will be different, like change, bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish, right? That's why extreme is a high probability compared to the decisional. Similar situation in engineering liquidity. Engineering liquidity sweep, and then we can also sell based on single candle order block because sweep the engineering liquidity. That's why you have to sell based on only single candle order block. In this case, you don't need to wait for chalk flip or anything. The next one is a possible scenario this one with a candle closer, and this one a low sweep, right? Previous low sweep and then buy based on single candle order block till inducement mitigate as a target for the buyers, right? And this is a short term, like market is a bearish, sweep the main low is here and buy till this high. This is an inducement, right? And here you can buy for the short term because in the next time market push downside, candle close below it, and this become our valid break of structure, right? This is a lower low and this transfer here to here to confirm this break of structure is here. So short term, you can buy here till this high. Taken out this high, you can also sell here based on single candle order block. If candle close above it and mitigate any PY is there, then you have to wait for it, chop and flip, and then you can sell and target this one though. Correct? The next one, after this one, sell after taking out the inducement fail and lower time frame, not a singular because 50% of probability. Exactly, right? Decisional PY failed, then buy based on counter trend and set main target. Decisional PY failed and then buy based on counter trend. Exactly. What happened if this is your counter trend, like IDM, this one. This one is a field, and then you have to buy here and target this high. Right. Why? Because low sweep here and probability market can be reversed to the upside. So you have to target the main high here. All right. Now switch in the next one. So this is our counter trend. This one. This is our sideway move in a ranging market. When market move in a range and break the high or low, just sweep the high or low. In that case, how you can deal? Simply, you have to wait for it. Previous high broken, right? Previous high broken. Then two types of broken the previous high or low. First one, a previous high low broken candle closer. Then we need lower time frame chalk and flip for confirmation and sell. Simple, right? If sweep the previous high or low, then you have to sell or buy based on only single candle order block. In that case, you don't need inducement in a lower time frame. Correct? That's why. Similar thing in a previous low broken, right? Previous low broken with candle closer, then you need chalk or flip. If sweep the previous low, then you can buy or sell based on single candle order block. Simple. When sweep high or low, then you single candle order block. If candle closer and mitigate higher time frame order block, and then you need lower time frame chalk flip entry module also. That's it. And these are important. And when market taking out the structure high or low, we need lower time frame confirmation with inducement before the buy or sell. Exactly. When market taking out the high, like taken out the high or low, then we need lower time frame confirmation before the buy or sell. Right. When we use single candle order block SCOB, then no need inducement for the buy and sell. Remember, when you identify higher time frame single candle order block, for example 15-minute as a single candle order block, you find a entry, and then you don't need 1 minute inducement. If market create inducement, which is correct. If not, then also fine, right? Because main thing is taken out the liquidity which is market already grabbed, right? In terms of the candlestick formation. Always try to take single candle order block for confirmation before the buy or sell. Exactly. When price taken out the inducement, tap on your decisional PY, tap on your extreme PY, and market must be create a single candle order block for just additional confirmation. Sometimes you miss trade, right? But this is important. When you find a setup based on single candle order block, then you can get more high probability trade compare your normal confirmation. Single candle order block is a gives you additional confirmation before the buy or sell, and then you can avoid fake losses or like bad losses actually. Higher time frame and lower time frame, you use any time frame combination which is covered in ebook and video part exactly, and this can be used in a different time frame, right? This is not applicable only one time frame. This can be applicable every time frame combination, like 15 minute as a higher time frame, 1 minute for entry. If you are using H1 for higher time frame, 5 minute for entry. If you are using 4 hour as a higher time frame, 15 minute for entry daily, and then 1 hour. That's it. At least 10x to 15x. Okay, lower than your higher time frame. If you are using any time frame, then at least use 10x to 15x lower the higher time frame. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. And this is everything is done here. All trading plan and diagram, everything. So everything is clear, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for new knowledge. Okay, most welcome. Thank you, thank you. Can we use single candle order block if price, sorry, can we use single candle order block only if price taken out the previous session high low or even previous day high low? Yes, sir, you can use single candle order block. Basically use when market taken out the any particular liquidity point like session higher low, structure higher low, candlestick higher low, right? Then you can use single candle order block. In a weekly analysis called why you not taken out the inducement 16 2015, can you please explain? Not understand. Please text me on Telegram, then I can show you. Okay, everyone. So everything is fine. And if you join late, I will upload on a Discord. Inducement candle closer decisional POI is to for how we can enter on example, please. Inducement candle closer, then you need lower time frame chalk flip. Simple, right? Or you have to wait for to mitigate your for which is your order block, then you can buy or sell. Let me show you exactly what I'm trying to explain here. Like for example, this one is your decisional inducement, and this one is your decisional POI. Correct. What happened here? Market push upside and candle close of it, and market push downside. So how you can deal in this situation? Simply you can sell here based on like chalk and flip, and then you can sell here. That's it. If candle close of it, If not close of it, just sweep this high at this point, then you can sell based on single candle order block confirmation. Either if market not create like this type of situation, not chalk here, anything, then you have to wait for it to mitigate this one. Then sell. Simple. Chalk in lower time frame. Yes, sir, in a lower time frame. After taking out the inducement, you have to wait for taking out the chalk or flip in a lower time frame. What about order block with sweep of the previous candle? You said on YouTube. Sir, those are order block, right? To identify valid order block, price must be taken out the previous candle high or low, or candle close or not, doesn't matter. You can say is a valid pullback to consider a valid order block. So if price sweep only PY, can we use single candle order block? Sir, if price sweep the like your order block, in that case you need lower time frame confirmation like chalk flip, not single candle order block. Single candle order block only applicable when market sweep the high or low. Decisional OB sweep, then you can sell based on, sorry, buy and sell based on chalk and flip confirmation. Is a sir single candle order block is a more powerful or chalk or flip? Everything is a powerful, but it's depend that which time you should use this type of situation. Like everything is a different situation. Like previous high low sweep, then single candle order block is a much higher. If price tap on higher time frame PY, then chalk flip is a much high probability. Most of the time you will see main high low sweep, inducement high low sweep, then you will see very highly chances that market gives a momentum to the downside and upside as per your plan most of the time, because those are strong indication for the reversal and continuation. If price say close above high or low, then lower time frame chow. Sir, if price close above the high or low, like main high or low, then the structure will be changed, like chalk and boss. Then always, then again you have to wait for taking out the inducement and then enter. Simple. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, to attend this beautiful webinar. And I hope a lot of question answer will be covered here, and diagrams and trading plan. Everything is clear. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone, and have a great weekend. And I will upload on you on Discord as soon as possible. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.